Hi guys, today we'll take the cork drop marker. We go to mountain. Let's go there. Here is a small cave. There is right here 3 times hill rock.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
Again we write hill rock.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
And again I press enter and
Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.
look, we must take the marker. I have this marker, so I can't take the marker one more time. Guys, thanks for watching. See you later and bye.